Hello everyone, it's Adam here. Golf R video. For the subscribers who have been wanting this for a long time, this is the power button. This is the start stop button. And I have my key in my pocket. I'm going to press this. Oh, there it goes. Now it works. I'm going to turn it off now. Still turning it off. There we go. Now it stopped. So about 2 years ago, this start stop button kind of started causing a few problems. And what I mean by that is it wasn't responding. I took out the car to storage this year, and the problem's really bad now, like basically 4 clicks to get the car to wake up. And so I'm going to be replacing it. So I went on Shop App, I bought a new power button. They were pretty certain that this would solve my problem. I think it was $60 shipped. Starting here and going all the way up here is one part. Not this, not this, not these buttons, not this button. This is all one part. And so we're gonna continue with the video now, but just so you guys know, all you have to do is remove this boot piece right here by putting your fingers in there, yanking that up, putting it at the side, and then removing the button, and you'll see the rest of the video how to do it. Do not bring this trim piece up, or as you can see, that trim piece up. These are not clipped in, they're glued in. And so as soon as you break this trim piece up in the air, like I've done here, you need to replace the entire top panel all the way back here. And that part is $250. I just ordered one. Don't be me. So it's actually pretty easy. So I'm gonna explain this to you guys to show you what I did. So as you can see, the trim piece is still here, is intact. Although now we have this guy right here. This is your start stop button cord. You'll see there's 4 cords going in there. So if you look at the construction, this is the brand new one. You look at the construction of this, it has 2 tabs on here. These tabs actually bend in. So what you can do is you can make sure it's oriented correctly. You can push this directly in. As you push it in, these will compress, and then you'll have it locked in place. Now that's easy for the install, because now once it's locked, you can then take this cord right here and you can push it straight in until it clicks. The way you release this is there's a lever right at the bottom where you push that in. So what I did was I kept everything the way it was. So the original one, which doesn't have those pins anymore, I'll tell you why in a second, was in place right here. I used a pick. I came in from this side. I actually got it on the passenger side. I used a pick and I pushed that tab down on this core piece right here. It was actually oriented like this. So I pushed the tab up with the pick, and then with my other finger, I just pulled it out. That came loose. Now I'm like, well, how the hell am I going to get these tabs in here? Well, luckily, with very little force, I mean a tiny little force, I put my finger underneath with the now free button and pushed with about 10 pounds of pressure. All of a sudden I heard ping ping, and both of those metal springs fell somewhere down there. We're not going to even worry about those things for now. Those are freebies to the next owner. And then this just pushed right out, just like this. So once those tabs are broken off, it just comes straight up. So there's no need to do anything except for remove the boot cover. This can actually stay in place. Now when it comes time to install the next one, we're going to basically go in reverse. Keep the tabs in place. We're going to make sure the orientation is correct. We're going to put this, position it right in that area there. It slides right into place. It's already locked. Give that a nice push. You'll hear it click through to the tabs. And now it's in there. Now it won't come out. And now all you do is you slide this back in, make sure the orientation is correct. I might need 2 fingers for this. We'll see. But you'll see in there, well, kind of. You can kind of see. There it is right there. That's where that goes. 2 of my tabs down here? No, I can't even see them. Anyway, that's where that piece goes. So we're going to slide that in place. All right. So this will need to go back, by the way, to this spot right there. But this is all set to the side. This is all, I need to push this back down into that little piece right there. No big deal. So this is all in there. You can see there it's hooked into the correct spot. Give it a little tug. Not too hard because these are kind of thin wires. Give it a quick test. 1 click. Oh yeah, we're back in business. So pretty simple job. So yeah, like I said, first step, put a pick in here, come from the underneath, pull this purple cable out. Then from there, put your index finger under this button, push up about 10 pounds of force, or as much as it takes really. You'll hear 2 clicks, that's the little springs breaking. And then from there, you can just yank this right out. Put the new one in, make sure start is oriented up. Push it down, hear it click twice, you're back in. You can put your finger there and kind of give it a little move, it won't move. Then you take the same cord back in there. No need to screw around the trim here. I scratched a little bit right there, no big deal. But no need to mess around this trim. All you're doing basically is pulling up on the this trim here, which is just basically putting your fingers behind and undoing the 2 rear clips. It's a pretty simple operation to get that out, especially if you've replaced your boot before like I have, then it's very easy to get out. And we're all good, all done. Pretty nice, brand new start button. Yeah, good luck.